So you think you got a blown fuse, but you're not sure which one?
Stick around and we'll show you 4 ways to find it. So, this test doesn't require any special tools, but it does, however, take a really long time to do. Simply get a pair of pliers, and you go to the fuse, and you simply pull out the fuse, and you check each fuse individually. For comparison here, we have 2 fuses. The one on the right here is blown, and the one on the left is good.
So the next way we can do this is with continuity. So you're going to need an ohm meter. Alright, so as I said, make sure you're in the ohm setting and you're on the continuity mode. If you are, you should have like a little emblem up there that almost looks like a Wi-Fi symbol. Take your 2 leads, touch them together, and it should beep. Okay, so now that we got our meter set up, we're going to go through and touch each side of one of these fuses while it's still in the car. We're not looking for an actual resistance reading, we just want to see if one end is connected to the other, and all we're doing is listening for the beep. So as I said, we're going to take one lead, put it on one side of the fuse, take the other lead, put it on the other side of the fuse, and it should beep if it's good. Just like that. That's good. That's good. That's good. That one's bad.
So, for the next couple tests, we need to have the key in the on position. Yes, I know our battery cables are in terrible shape, but we do have a video that shows you how to make your own battery cables. So, for the next test, we're going to use a test light. So we're going to take this end and hook it to the negative terminal. Now it should light up on both sides if it's good. Oh, we have a blown fuse. That one didn't light up on both sides.
Alright, so similar with the test light method, we can use a voltmeter to do the same thing. Not everybody has a test light, but maybe you have a cheap voltmeter laying around. So in this case, we need to set it to volts DC. And if your voltmeter doesn't auto range, you'll need to set it to the 20 volt scale. Right, so very similar to the test light method, we're going to take our negative cable, hook it up to the negative terminal of our battery. Then we're going to take our positive lead. And we're going to check each side of the fuse for battery voltage. Right, so we'll take our positive lead, put it on one side of the fuse and check for battery voltage. And we should have it on both sides if the fuse is good. So that one's good. That one's good. Now let's come over here to the one we know was blown. We have battery voltage on one side of it, but not the other.
If you found this video to be helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!